Welcome back to yet another amazing story, and this time of Carla and Pavna. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And this bari, our starting point was Rupesh Misal, and the meeting time allotted was 8 am. And जैसे जैसे rider count बढ़ने लगा, we decided to take things more professionally and responsibly. So this time we had consent forms.
बिल्कुल रिक्स नहीं लेने का है।
So हम निकले कार्ला की तरफ, which is around 29 kilometers from our starting point. So one question we always get asked is, how do you choose the location? Take this location for instance. Carla is one of the most historic places. It was established in 2nd century. This historic beauty is in the closest vicinity of Pune. When you arrive at Carla, 15 minutes का trail है to reach the top. You get this rushing feeling of connecting with the history, with the roots. The magnificent structure is actually a Buddhist shrine. Introducing you guys to Girish, awkwardly posing to the camera. Now off we go to Pavna. It is around 30 kilometers from here. आणि इथं आमची भांडणं झाली, पण जाऊ दे. Will Safar would like to advise all the riders out there, be careful when you visit Pavna Lake. The localites are not at all motorcycle friendly. So here we got access to beautiful private property due to one of our own riders. #community का फायदा. And at the end of the day, Will Safar boys love water. And also, you need a place to chill, right? And here we are arguing on किसका पत्थर दूर जाता है. There's this one thing with Will Safar. You always get the right balance. A correct balance of history and fun. Then we started our return journey. had an amazing lunch at Shivraj, which serves delicious food. And reached back home by around 6 pm. A fun and content day. And अब सब शांति से ये सुनो.
सगळ्यांनी व्हील सफरला फॉलो करा.
Come, join us to be a part of more exciting stories like this at Will Suffer.